This will surely be a true mano-a-mano test. It's amazing. For more than 50 years, men and women have entered this ring all in the name of greatness to see who is truly the best. I think when it's all said and done, we'll be talking about this match for a long time.
And I wouldn't at all be surprised if this match stole the show here tonight.
The WWE Universe here in our nation's capital is certainly adrenalized for this one. Just listen to them.
He's on the defensive here. This could be the start of an ugly downward spiral if he's not careful.
Yeah, he's taking on some offense here, but that's to be expected, especially considering who he's in the ring with.
This thing appears to be slipping away from him in a hurry, guys, and you can bet he envisioned things going much differently for him heading into this match.
Looks like he's starting to tire. You have to wonder if he could recover from this, guys.
This match is trending in a bad direction for him right now, guys. He's going to want to make some changes if he wants to stay in it.
Don't you dare get up, man.
Incoming.
And he lands a nice counter. He's not getting up.
You can't like his chances right now.
Escapes trouble there.
Taken down with a belly-to-back suplex.
Byron, he may be down for good.
That wouldn't surprise me at all, not after the beating he's taken.
Oh, and he's still down, Byron.
Things definitely aren't looking very good for him right now. Ain't no stopping him now.
Look out, punch after punch. Got it.
Clearly on a mission here.
Not so fast.
This kind of offense he's known for. An early pin attempt.
And he kicks out.
That's either sheer genius or complete stupidity, Cole.
And there's the counter. Gonna be tough for him to fight back from this.
Oh, the first thing he needs to do is get back to his feet, which is clearly easier said than done.
Look at that air. His leaping ability is absolutely astounding. Says top of the morning with the Irish whip. He wants no part of the outside. He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here.
This could be it for him, guys.
Yeah, he's on Dream Street.
This could be all she wrote. It's got to be over now.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
He's still not moving, guys.
He might be out, Cole.
Back in from the floor.
Doesn't show any signs of getting up here, guys.
No, he's taking one heck of a beating, Michael.
Just a hellacious power slam. He's in a tough spot here, Corey.
And if he doesn't get up, it's going to get a lot tougher.
Unleashing it for the second time now.
Nice combination there.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Oh, quick pin attempt here.
When his strikes land, you can feel it in the first few rows.
Ill-advised move.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Look at this. There's no coming back from that.
Here's his moment, Michael. Akam is in trouble.
He's not going to like this.
We know it.
What a punch.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? Akam is in trouble.
He's playing with him now. An emphatic finisher.
Just when you thought he had nothing left. Absolutely punishing.
He's taking a long time to get up, guys.
Perhaps playing a little possum here, Cole.
With such authority.
Game, set, match. This one is over.
He thinks he has it.
Against all odds, he's got the victory.